So friends, today we will discuss about the aphorism number 21 and 22. In the aphorism number 21, we are going to discuss about the medicines, how they are going to act in the healthy person as well as how they are going to act in the diseased persons. So as the homeopathic medicines, we have seen that they are having the spirit-like properties, and these spirit-like properties of the medicines, they are the properties of that medicine to produce morbid symptoms in healthy persons. What it has been said in this aphorism, the medicines, they are having the capabilities, they are having the properties to produce the morbid symptoms in a healthy person. When any homeopathic medicine it has been administered in a healthy human being, it is having the capability to produce its own manifestation in that healthy person. They are the artificial morbid symptoms produced by that medicine in the healthy human being. They are called as morbid symptoms. They are produced by the medicine. So medicines are having the properties to produce morbid symptoms in healthy persons. This is one property of medicine in the healthy person, and these properties, they are the disease curing property of that medicine. Means the medicines, they are having the capability to produce artificial disease in a healthy human being, and this capability of the medicine itself, it is the disease curing property of that medicine. How this is the thing, it is conducted by homeopathic medicine according to the totality of the disease symptoms. We are going to administer the homeopathic medicine. The homeopathic medicines, they are acting in that diseased person, and in that diseased person the artificial morbid state, it is induced by that medicine. So this is the use of the totality of the symptoms along with the similarity, and these two things, when they are going to act in the diseased person, the disease, it is going to be cured. The next, in the aphorism 22, we will see when medicines used in disease, when you are going to apply that medicine which is having the capability to produce morbid state in the healthy person, this medicine we are going to use in the diseased person. When these medicines we are going to use in the diseased person, what will happen? They will produce artificial morbid state. The medicine you are going to use in the diseased person, after the administration of that medicine, it will induce the artificial morbid state in that diseased person. Means already there is presence of totality of the disease. To cure that totality of the disease, you have administered medicine. This medicine, it is going to induce artificial morbid state in that person. This artificial morbid state, it is matched with the similarity, and these properties of the medicine, now they are going to remove the disease. The artificial morbid state, it is going to remove the disease. In these two aphorisms, we have seen the medicines, they are having the capability to produce artificial morbid state in the healthy human being. This property of the medicine, it is the disease curing property. Means the morbid symptoms, they are produced by the medicine. The same thing we are going to use in the diseased person. Here in this aphorism, we have seen after the use of medicine in the diseased person, artificial morbid state which is very closely resembling to the totality of the disease, it is produced in that diseased person, and this similarity, it is going to remove the disease for which we have administered the medicine in that diseased person. Thank you.